Hello and welcome to Weathercast. The monsoon 2020 is expected to get a boost or a surge this week and next week. That's why I thought that it would be a good idea to give a midweek weather update. So, the basic synopsis is the monsoon intra-seasonal oscillation or MISO is going to get into a superactive state and it will cover the peninsular India and central India. So, under the action of this MISO, the monsoon is going to surge, and the west coast is going to be very active for the next 1 week. All places along the west coast are expected to get heavy to very heavy rainfall between July 31st and August 7th. During this time, the Ghat sections will also get some very heavy rains, and so will the catchment areas. The Bay of Bengal is likely to spin off a low pressure system, and along with the active MISO, this will give a massive push to the monsoon. Already, July has been very good for the west coast of India, except Kerala, and also in for central India. So August is also looking very good, and the first week of August is looking likely to get very heavy rainfall for many places. Central India will get some moderate to heavy rains starting from August 2nd because the MISO will cover central India starting August 2nd, and that will give some push to the monsoon system. East India will also get some heavy rains like Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh. Those sections will get some heavy rains due to the system in Bay of Bengal. Uh, as the west coast gets very active, South India will become subdued. That the thunderstorm activity over South India will reduce, especially Tamil Nadu and interior Karnataka. North India will get on and off rains depending on the MISO movement. If a portion of MISO is able to get up to North India, then those places will get some moderate to heavy rains. It's possible. However, the west coast is what is going to be in uh, action for the next 1 week. All right, the dynamics, as you can see, the MISO is getting active. So 29th, 30th of July, it's trying to move towards the northern part of India, covering the peninsular India and the central India as well as the entire west coast and parts of east coast. And if you look at the amplitude, it's pretty high. Anything outside of this inner circle means higher amplitude, and MISO is going to get into a superactive state, as I have already mentioned. So West Coast is likely to get into a beast mode, with Ghat sections also expected to score well. So this week and next week, West Coast could see some very heavy rains, which may cause inconvenience, and even possibility of floods in many places are likely. This is the rainfall anomaly chart. As you can see, slowly the west coast of India is going to get above normal rains, which is going to continue until August 12th is what is shown here. That is very long term, but at least until 7th or 8th of August, things are looking very likely for, or things are looking very effective for the west coast of India. So under the influence of MISO and also the system in Bay of Bengal, the offshore trough will form. As you can see, the winds are coming and dipping down. So Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra coast will get very heavy rains all the way from Mumbai coast to Kerala. So Kerala will start getting some very heavy rains from 30th onwards and will continue until at least 1st of August. That is my expectation. And slowly as the MISO moves northward, the rainfall activity will shift to South Konkan and then finally to North Konkan. Mumbai rains will are likely to be heavy to very heavy between the period August 3rd to August 6th. Clarity on Mumbai rains become will come clear. Clarity will be there on Mumbai rains around July 31st. We can lock in which are the days when heavy rains will occur, which may cause inconvenience. Bay of Bengal seems to be waking up, so that is also good for the west coast of India because as the bay wakes up, then it will pull the winds from Arabian Sea, and during that time, the interior parts of Maharashtra will also score well, like Pune, Nashik, and also those catchment areas will also get some good rains, including the central parts of India. So overall, MISO is expected to be in a superactive state for the next 1 week or even 10 days, starting from July 30th. So West Coast show for next 1 week, and this means that very heavy rains are expected along the west coast of India, starting from the North Konkan all the way to Kerala. Ghat sections will also get some heavy rains. Bay of Bengal is expected to have a low pressure system, and that will give a push to the monsoon. Central India will get moderate to heavy rains and subdued activity for South India. North India is not clear, it all depends on the MISO movement, but on and off moderate rains cannot be ruled out. Alright, this is the midweek update. So let us keep an eye on West Coast as it is expected to get into the beast mode. So some very heavy events are very likely. So thanks for your support and subscribe to my channel for regular weather updates. I will be back with more updates pretty soon because it is expected that the heavy rains will start from July 30 or 31st along the west coast, and I will come back with an update on Mumbai rains pretty soon. So please stay tuned. Thank you. Have a good day.